Last year, my daughter lives in Liverpool. She rather, I don't know how she did this, stupidly, incredibly, managed to blow up part of her electrics by leaving the hob on for, I presume, 4 or 5 days. So this continues the theme of lifelong learning. See, it's working, it's working. So out of interest, how many of you in the room have ever advertised on yell.com? Yep. Or Yellow Pages? Or Thompson Local Directory? Dave's putting his hand up for everything. Or flyers that you've sent out and printed? Yep. Or local business magazines? Yep. National newspapers, local newspapers? Yep. Business cards? Everybody, Tom's putting their hand up for business cards, wouldn't they? Well, imagine paying for some of that, maybe paying for a yell.com listing or paying for a Yellow Pages ad and leaving it completely blank. But you're paying for it. Would that make sense, Joe? No, that'd be crazy, wouldn't it? To pay for it and leave it blank. Imagine the insanity of doing that. I know. Who would do such a thing? Who would do such a thing? Well, some of you guys are, funnily enough. Because with your BNI membership, you get access to BNI Connect. And BNI Connect allows you to list loads about your business, including what you do, who you're looking for, your phone number, your email address, the link to your website, your logo, your gains profile, and not everybody actually puts it on there. Now, I've got some stats. I've got some stats. Hopefully, I've got some stats here. Let's see. One member out of our 27 has a photo of a product rather than their face, so you can't tell what they look like. 2 members don't have a photo at all. 2 members have a full body photo, so you can't see their face. Well, I'm not going to be judging. No, a full body, so the face is in the background. No, they're not a faceless body, Ray. Keep it in the room. Keep it in the room. I know where your mind is going, Ray. 8 members have not added their ideal referrals, their top product, their top problem solved, and their ideal referral partner. 10 members have not added their gains profile, and you would be shocked at some of those members. They are not new members. 10 members haven't added a description to their My Business. 10 members have not added their business logo. 12 members have not added their website link, which is vital from a digital marketing perspective because that goes on to BNI Connect's website, BNI Cheshire West, and actually links to your website. That's useful for your own Google rankings. It's a free link you can add. Takes you 30 seconds. 15 members have not added their social media profiles. And 24 members have not added a video. Only myself, Ray, and Tony have actually done that. Now, what's the point in doing all of this? Is it just ticking boxes like BNI tells you to do all these things and you go, I'm not doing that, it's not worth it, I can't be bothered? No. Here's 3 examples about why you should do that. I was in a meeting 2 months ago, a BNI meeting, not a BNI meeting, but with BNI people, and just before the meeting I got a WhatsApp from somebody saying, can you recommend a builder in BNI who you or someone you know have personally used? And I was sat at the time next to Mike Hannigan and Dawn Toner. And they both recommended 2 different builders they had personally used. I thought, perfect. I'll get on BNI Connect on my phone, click on the magnifying glass, put the first person's name in, I'll send them their details. No profile photo, no phone number, no email address. What am I going to do? Go to Google their name, their business name, and try and find their contact details to send them? If they can't be bothered to add their details to BNI Connect, I'm not being bothered to hunt them down for them. So I went to the second builder, put his name in, click go, there he is, phone number, email address, website address, logo, profile photo. Screenshot it, WhatsApp, sent. He got the referral. The other one hadn't bothered to put anything on BNI Connect. Last year, my daughter lives in Liverpool. She rather, I don't know how she did this, stupidly, incredibly, managed to blow up part of her electrics by leaving the hob on for, I presume, 4 or 5 days. She forgot. She went out and the hob was just on. I need an electrician. It's a bit far for Dave to go through the tunnels to Liverpool, so I'll have a look for an electrician in Liverpool on BNI Connect. There were 5 electricians on BNI Connect in Liverpool. 2 of them hadn't added any details to BNI Connect, so I didn't know who they were. One of them was a commercial electrician that deals with warehouses and maintenance stuff. And one of them was, let me use that finger. One of them was a local electrician round the corner from her, added a photo, young lad, really nice photo, nice logo. So I sent that to Kira, sent him the referral so that she knew what he looked like. If you're sending someone around to your daughter's house, you want them to know what they look like. You want them to know what the logo looks like so that they're not worried, is this the right person? He got the referral. Third example, Mr. Bundy right there, uses electricians around the country. Searches on BNI Connect for them. If they don't have a photo, if they don't have anything uploaded to BNI Connect, they probably don't take BNI very seriously. They probably won't take a referral that seriously. They probably won't give him the thank business, which is important. If they have all those details filled in, Dave, you contact them.
I need to make sure that they can do what I need them to do.
Yeah.
If they haven't got a description.
Exactly. And if they haven't got a description, which many of you haven't, you're not going to do it. So I'm going to very quickly, Gail, very quickly, this is important for lifelong learning. I'm going to go through 4 members' profiles. Oh, this is where the panic sets in. But don't worry, these profiles are good, better, betterer, and bettererist. Bettererist. Yeah, bettererist. So the first one is Mike Corner. Hey, there's Mike. So we'll see Mike. He's added a profile photo. That's a lot more than this builder had done. He's added a profile photo. He's got his phone number. So if I look on BNI Connect, I can screenshot that, send Mike's details to somebody, no problem. He's got his address. In my business, he's written painting and decorating because that's what he does. We can improve on that. We can improve on that, Mike. Let's have a look at what Mike's missing, what somebody else has done. Richard Hadlow-Powell, not in the room today, to take the plaudits. Richard, he's got his phone number. He's added his logo. In my business, he's put specialist in pensions, investments, estate planning, company investments and structures. He's written more about what he does, more of the services that he has. He's also filled out his ideal referral, the top problem solved, the ideal referral partner, and his top product. That helps you find referrals for Richard. That's better. But we have betterer. Betterer. Kieran, who's also not in the room today to take the plaudits. I could have used a lot of people's profiles for this. I could have used Martha's, for example. I'm not just using old members. Martha's is the same standard as Kieran's. I picked Kieran because look at all those social media links. What a social media whore Kieran is. He's put everything in there you possibly could have. You can add your Pinterest, you can add your TikTok, any social media you want, put it in there. It will link to it so people can find you. He's put a massive description about his business, as has Martha. He's got his logo. He's also put in my favorite BNI story, which not everybody does, which is useful to find out tales about how you find referrals. But shall we have a look at bettererist? It's no surprise, it's mine. So if I know, I checked it a few times, it came back as mine every time. I didn't know what to say. I've embedded a video in here. Now, I could have picked Ray's, I could have picked Tony's in this, but I'm doing the talk, I picked mine. Embedding a video is really easy, but only 3 of us have done it. And if you have video about your business, it really shows and helps to show what you do, the services that you have, what you're like as a person, what you sound like, so that when somebody speaks to you, it's not the first time they speak to you. Now, anybody that wants to know how to add a video, like Phil Skeggs has got videos, Tom's got videos, have a word with me afterwards, I'll show you how to do it. It's not something taught at BNI, but it is a little bit of a hack, and it is easy to do. And everything else I've filled in exactly the same. This is what you can do with your BNI Connect profile. Please do not leave it blank. Please do not leave stuff out. Make sure you add your website link, because that is a free link, which helps towards your own Google rankings for your own business. Thank you very much.